Hey homeowners of Texas, your garage door is a key part of your home's convenience and security. But what happens when the power goes out or your automatic opener malfunctions? Today, I'm going to show you how to open your garage door manually. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to understand the parts of your garage door system. When the power goes out or the opener malfunctions, you need to disconnect the trolley from the opener to operate your door manually. Step 1. Safety first. Make sure your garage door is fully down before attempting to lift it manually. Check for any gaps and ensure no one, especially children or pets, is near the door. Step 2. Find the emergency release cord. This is a red rope or handle hanging from the trolley, usually near the top middle of your garage door tracks. Step 3. Pull the emergency release cord. Use some force and tug on the cord. You'll hear a clicking sound, indicating the trolley is disengaged. Step 4. Lift the garage door. Stand in front of the door, firmly grip the lower section with both hands, and lift it. Use your leg muscles to avoid straining your back. If the door feels too heavy, there might be an issue with the springs, so call us for help. Step 5. Secure the door in the open position. If the door doesn't stay open on its own, use a clamp or locking pliers to hold it in place. Step 6. When you're ready to close the door, release the clamp and lower the door slowly and controlled. Again, use your legs to avoid injury. Once the power is back or the opener is fixed, you'll need to reconnect the opener. Pull the emergency release cord down and towards the door. You'll hear a click when the trolley re-engages. Test the opener with your remote or wall switch to ensure everything moves smoothly. Even after following these steps, you might encounter some common problems. If the door is too heavy to lift, the springs might be broken. If it doesn't stay open, the springs may need adjustment. And if the opener doesn't reconnect, check the tracks and trolley alignment. Knowing how to open your garage door manually is essential for every Houston homeowner. Stay safe and don't hesitate to call us at Easy Garage Door Repair for any garage door needs. Your trusted partner in keeping your garage door in excellent condition.